Today I have this tea towel that says, "No bunny loves me like Jesus," and I picked it up at the Christmas tree shop for $1.99. I'm taking an embroidery hoop and trying to get it where the lettering's exposed and as tight as possible. I got this hoop around and I made it as tight as possible. I took my pinking shears and cut the back and the excess towel off as close as I could to the ring. I found this bouquet at Michael's. You can get them pretty, flowers are expensive, but these I believe, I want to say I paid $5 for the bundle. And then I cut all the heads of the flowers off. The flowers are just a nice collection of the pinks, different shades. And I just arranged them around the top and hot glued them to the rim of the embroidery hoop. I just want to make sure I arranged them so you could still see the wording. So I bought these little pearls. I believe I either got them at the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. And they're really pretty. They're so I put them inside the flowers. And then I glued them going all the way around the edge of the embroidery hoop. It's just a nice added touch, kind of gave this a Victorian flair, and I really think the pinks went really nice with the green in the tea towel. And there you go. Now you have this cute little "No bunny loves me like Jesus" wall hanging. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfers, or brushes, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.